afternoon, everyone. I just want to share dun sa nabasa ko, sabi dun, sa bawat pagtatapos, mayroong bagong simula. This may be the end of our Wild Sons this sem, pero next sem, abangan nyo ang mas pinabago, mas pinasaya, at mas exciting na Wild Sons.
And yes, Paolo, pero alam mo ba, merong mas masaya at mas exciting na puntahan bukod dito sa Wansons. At yan ay ang ating Sunday service that will be held at BICC Forum Inc. with the services of 10 a.m., 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Kaya naman for all the first-timers today, we are also inviting you to come on our Sunday service. At para naman sa Quezon students, your trainings will be at 8:15 a.m., 11:45 a.m. and 4:45 p.m. Guys, we encourage you not to miss any of your classes for you to be more equipped.
And this coming Saturday, October 19, magaganap na ang first batch ng ating world record water baptism. That will be on Ternate, Cavite. At yung second batch naman natin this coming October 26. Kaya naman para sa lahat ng hindi pa nakaka-experience ng water baptism, just contact your cell leaders for more updates.
And of course, Paolo at mga kawalsas, on October 28, sabay-sabay natin hirap ang World Trade Center together with the SOPA Revolution Band! Registration fee is only 100 pesos. Kaya naman ngayon, bumili na tayo ng mga tickets natin at sabihin mo dyan sa katabi mo, see you there!
See you there. At syempre, hindi rin natin kakalimutan the next day, October 29 and October 30. See you there din sa World Trade Center dahil yun ang pinaka-aabangan natin lahat, ang G12 National Conference! Ayan, para sa mga hindi pa nakaka-avail ng tickets, just contact your cell leaders para maka-avail kayo.
Eh, saan na ba, Paolo, mga kawalsas? Hindi lang this October tayo may mga events, but on November 30, for all the women's here, magkakaroon tayo ng Women's Conference that will be held at Cuneta Astrogov. And for more information or details, let's just keep in touch with our cell leaders.
And guys, bago tayo maging excited sa mga magaganap sa October and sa November, why not be more excited as of this moment? Just get your pens and your notebooks for the word. As we introduce our speaker for the day, Pastor June Montaño.